Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will play using very cool cars. This is definitely very fun. Don't forget to watch this video until the end, so you all will be entertained. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Enjoy watching.